all on today's inaugural addressing day of Birla Open Minds. We are extremely happy to welcome you all. Myself, Ms. Devapama, with my co-host Rajeshwari, welcome all the students and the parents on behalf of Birla Open Minds International School, Bandlaguda, on this very special day. Though online, we are touched and glad with your presence. May I invite our principal ma'am to felicitate Sandeep sir and Vishnu Vardhan sir. And I request Supriya to felicitate principal. Now I request Supriya to felicitate our principal ma'am.
Thank you, Devapama. Good morning to all. Light is a symbol of auspiciousness, prosperity and abundance. It brings brightness by mitigating darkness and ignorance. On today's solemn occasion of inauguration, may I request on the stage our respected director Sandeep sir and Vishnu sir and Harjinder ma'am to light the lamp of knowledge and enlightenment. Please ma'am, please sir. Only great minds discuss ideas, convert them into dreams, and then convert these dreams into reality. Yes, I am talking about none other than our director, Mr. Sandeep Yalamanchili, who has converted his great noble ideas into reality in shortest possible time, all for education. May I request Sandeep sir to come on the stage and address the audience and grace the occasion.
A very good morning to every one of you attending today's inaugural event. All the parents, principal ma'am, all the staff, and everyone attending this inaugural function. Very good morning, a cloudy Saturday morning. I'll take this opportunity to address everyone with how the journey has begun and how we started this school. So as part of management, me, Sandeep Yalamanchili and my co-director, Mr. Vishnu Vardhan Reddy. So we lived in United States for about a decade and returned to India looking for opportunities. So Mr. Vishnu has ventured into construction and me got into managing education institutions. Later we joined together in 2014 to start a school. That was when we were parents looking for schools also. We also had this great opportunity to start planning a school, both as management and also being parents. We were also considering how a parent would, take in our ideas. And we went around the country looking for different models, studying different models and all. And eventually we found an opportunity with Birla Agrotech Limited. After considering so many other options, we found Birla Open Minds as one of the best options, mainly because of the confidence we had in a group like Birla, who had always been nation builders. So most of the people in the country have a lot of trust in the group, a lot of trust in the name, and the kind of efforts they put in to develop a structure, a model like this has been absolutely fantastic. We're very impressed, and our ideas were in tune with the Birla EduTech Limited ideas and all, and we partnered with them. We started our first school in 2016 in the name of Shloka Birla School at LB Nagar. In 2016, Birla Open Minds and Shloka were two different schools under the same parent company. And now the two companies have been merged into Birla Open Minds International School. The way in which we started and the way our first campus took off was so impressive, it was so overwhelming. It was way beyond our expectations. So after considering the way in which we established the institution, and after considering a lot of parents' feedback and how the parents are accepting our way of doing things and all, Birla EduTech Limited has offered us to become the master franchisee in South India. And from 2018, we've also been supporting some of the other schools in South India. We have a lot of schools in our society. I mean, at least our school, we right from day one, we had a little different model and structure altogether, which through which we are able to give very high quality education with a reasonably affordable piece. After our successful venture in LB Nagar, so we started planning for Bandlaguda Jagir in 2018, and here we are. So ever since we've started the construction of the school, ever since we started taking inquiries from parents and all, so we got an overwhelming response from the parents of this area. So we definitely have to thank all the parents. So we started taking inquiries towards the end of January, early February. And till March, we had a phenomenally high number of inquiries. And in fact, we are at a pace to reach, a very, very good number of admissions, which would have been the highest first year admissions in any of our Birla schools in South India. So that was the kind of response we received from the parents. Thank you everyone for supporting us in that way. Even during this difficult situation of COVID-19 and all, so we had parents showing a lot of good response and still joining our school and all. That shows the kind of confidence and trust you have in us, and that will make us feel more responsible and make sure we live up to the expectations. Ever since, we always promised to start the school in middle of June, the second week of June, and even with all the hurdles we had to face because of the couple of months of lockdown, here we are, ready to go, ready to start the classes and all. It is only because of our principal, our staff, dedicated staff and the faculty, this is made possible. Because establishing a new school is always challenging for everyone, and especially in these kind of circumstances and such situation and all, it becomes even more challenging. But even then, to live up to the promise and start the school as promised is a fantastic achievement. Thank you all the staff members for that. Yes, as of today, what is happening around the country is online education, virtual schooling and all. I know it's very different, it's very challenging for everyone. It's challenging for the students, parents and the school management. These are the kind of situations where strong people, strong institutions, strong setups rise to the occasion and deliver better than usual. That is what we hope from all our teachers, They went through rigorous training and as in how to conduct online classes, how to conduct virtual schooling and all, and to make sure that the students progress irrespective of the conditions. We definitely hope that the parents will also like the virtual schooling that is going to start from Monday. So situations are such that we have to accept the change and move on. Whenever these kind of pandemics or any events happen that change the world, a lot of factors in the society also change. You can see a lot of changes in the society. If you go back to the closest thing that happened as COVID-19 100 years ago, and if you look at how communication, the world of communication have changed 100 years ago, it will be very surprising sitting now and thinking about what kind of changes happened 100 years ago. Even last year, we would have thought, something like this, virtual schooling, online classes is for the future, is very futuristic and is not feasible, for our teachers, students and parents to handle. But all of a sudden, it's so surprising that in a span of just a couple of months, so many of us are able to adapt to the situation and, make the changes so rapidly. And I'm pretty sure we'll be able to see through this. And whenever the physical school starts, we'll be ready with all the facilities we promised with you. And yeah, good luck all the parents, good luck all the students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You have inspired us with your great words. A man of few words and works very silently but with big results. Yes, he is our very own director, Mr. Vishnuvardhan Dega. Thank you, sir, for always motivating us. A school's dynamic and deep-rooted culture is established by the leader of the school. I now welcome such dynamic personality of our school, our very own principal, Harjinder Kaur, to address with her golden words. Please, ma'am.
A very good morning to our Honorable Mr. Sandeep Yelamanchili and Mr. Vishnuvardhan Reddy Dega, founders of Bodha Educational Society and directors of Birla Open Minds International School. Beloved staff, informed parents and lovely children. I have always preferred in giving impromptu speeches, but this being the first occasion in a new school, I did not want to miss out on anything. Hence, I've written down everything and they are all my own words. I hope I'll be able to satisfy you in the best possible way. Now, before I start once again, I wish a very bright, energetic and congratulatory morning to one and all who are there on the screen and of course who are present here. So kindly accept my heartfelt gratitude for sparing your precious moments and of course gratitude to all the parents who are sparing their moments next to the screen. It's a momentous occasion today. It is said that the first step in any journey of dreams and setting up an educational institution of this stature, it is one of the most difficult one. It needs special commendation and sincere appreciation. The school is a gateway of knowledge for future patriots of this country, be it doctors, scientists, entrepreneurs, academicians, Indian services, or the unknown professions of future times. Congratulations, sir, and congratulations to all associated with this institution for this great institution of repute which has come up. 13th June 2020 will leave an indelible mark in the history of Birla Open Minds International School, Bandlaguda. We humbly pray and hope it turns out to be the greatest benefactors of society at large. As a founder principal, I am deeply humbled and privileged to head and navigate this institution to greater heights. I am extremely happy to be in Hyderabad. But yes, the thought of addressing you all on a virtual platform for the launch of a school was never in my mind. None of us, but it's the invisible virus which is responsible. In normal circumstances, in physical school, our pride and privilege for having all the parents here and everybody associated with the school would have been manifold. Today's low-key online inaugural program is predominantly to pay tribute to our frontline warriors and those who are forced to live in difficult times, and of course for safety of all our beloved students, parents and near and dear ones. Yes, the world today is facing the toughest challenge ever, an existential crisis for itself, but the human race never loses hope. With the intellect obtained by virtue of education, humans are up in arms against fighting the deadly virus. The brighter side is people have been enlightened and begun valuing basic needs over indulgences, valuing that less is more, valuing nature and valuing cooperation, consideration and caring and simple acts of kindness. Since the world has to move on, in the midst of this all and with great humility, we inaugurate today. We wish and pray safe and good health to all our extended family members. Thanks for reposing faith in us by sending your most precious gifts in custody of educationists at Birla Open Minds International School, Bandlaguda. BOMIS, as I know, and as Sir described it just a short while back, owes much of its glory to both its revered directors, Mr. Sandeep Yelamanchili and Mr. Vishnuvardhan Reddy Dega, both being a treasure house of commitment to education, society and humanity, as is evident from their school at LB Nagar. Their magnanimity and benevolence, openness, desire for excellence, coupled with far-sighted vision and sense of quality and direction par excellence, knows no bounds and inspires all for zenith. When organizations are both purpose and value driven, they instill highest degree of trust that creates a very solid foundation and a culture of support, empowerment and inspiration. The organization then falls in the category of greatness, and this is what BOMIS is all about. Within no time, I have realized it's a pleasure working with this team in such an organization. Several times on admission platform, I was asked the significance of open minds. I can actually juxtapose open mind with a parachute. A parachute works only when it is open. Similarly, minds which are like parachutes work only when open. An open mind is not rigid and can think of alternate perceptions, can think of all possibilities, question everything. Why, when, where, what, who, how. Of course, with great care and humility, and doesn't go by illusions. Open-minded people care to understand before they care to be right. They have a reason for every answer they give. In fact, the main purpose of education is to replace and empty mind with an open one. Similarly, the word international in the school's name signifies amalgamation of curriculums and best practices of different boards, ICSE, IGCSE, IB and CBSE. The approach is global. The world-class curriculum under the aegis of Birla EduTech Limited, Mumbai, is a complete and comprehensive solution for education, and this is our USP. The curriculum addresses the needs of 21st century skills by connecting learning with real life experiences. The curriculum will ensure that children are healthy, safe, engaged, supported, challenged and prepared for the rigors of the current century. In the prevailing circumstances, the proposition of opening schools physically appeared an impossibility, at least for the next few months. But can learning stop? Can education be halted? Can we have our children spending time leisurely for months, and that too with no peers around? Education is a soft power of nation. How can we stop this? So the reply to all this is a big no. Education cannot stop. Let us also remember the 3 X's in education: exposure, experience, exchange. Can they be stopped? A big no. So to continue to nurture the young minds in the current scenario, the only alternative, though may not be the best, but it is the second best solution in conducting, it's the online classes. BOMIS Bandlaguda is all set to begin these virtual classes from coming Monday. Yes, we are following Sundar Pichai's Google platform. We are through with almost all arrangements and extensive teacher training. An abrupt switching over from an on-site to online classes was definitely a Herculean task for the teachers. But as we all know, teachers are very closely bonded with students, and their determination made them continue. They learnt technology within a very short period of time and became warriors in this pandemic. We hope that their efforts will be appreciated by all members of our extended family. They are all greatly inspired, and I'm sure they'll inspire the students also. A few years back, in fact, I had heard our Prime Minister, our incumbent Prime Minister, say that IT plus is equal to IT. That is, India of today plus information technology is equal to India of tomorrow. But today's scenario is such, especially in education, that we can add another IT to these 2 ITs. That is, IT plus IT is equal to IT. That is, India of today plus information technology plus inspired teachers is equal to India of tomorrow. In fact, this has become India of today now. To conclude, I urge the entire BOMIS Bandlaguda family to commit to work hand in hand, share responsibilities, shoulder each other to make the journey of our little ones fruitful and accomplished, not only in basics, but life beyond basics. Last but not the least, I'll end with my favorite lines by Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. And again, some Girija Kumar's words, मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We are thoroughly motivated and inspired with your golden words. Thank you so much. To conclude, we have vote of thanks by Ms. Devapama.
Thank you, Ekta, for for your time and patience. We are privileged to have you all here today. Furthermore, we appreciate your valuable time and patience you have shown. Additionally, I would like to thank our Honorable Directors, Sandeep Sir and Vishnuvardhan Sir, and Principal Ma'am for giving their valuable time to sparkle our event. Furthermore, I thank our entire team for their hard work in making this event, the first step in a journey of 1,000 miles, a successful one. To conclude, we wish everyone happiness and peace. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you. Thank you.
May I request everyone to stand for National Anthem?
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे।